Kwe ARITWA NGIRI mwati atika ARITWA NGIRI nyana mana ya tano barabeti CHUKA University mwaka yumu ankira nende batakinya CHUKURU kuringana na Vice Chancellor CHUKURU na Professor Henry Mutembe ya ugete bobo mba kwidira ni kurea kumenya gururia mutaratara ya mari yo BICI ACIARI nende baikira komba kuremania bokurea BICI na kwira ACIARI ati THIRIKARI na mbeja chakwana gutederia murito wonde kwidira geta na mbere na kithomo na kuiba batire ukinyithiana bo nene ya CHUKURU BEETI.
Nyuma ya kiumia kigima ya kwamukira ARITWA baimbia bamwanka wa mbere University ya CHUKA na ARITWA ngiri 3,500 bakinyite kumakire ARITWA ngiri 4,500 bara baititwa University no. Kuringana na monini wa Chancellor wa University no Professor Henry Mutembe untu bubu mono bumanetie na ACIARI bainge kwa gambia chakurira ana baba BICI.
There are thousands that is out there. There are those from those families that have not understood the funding model, and I'm telling them the government is very clear. They have enough money for every student. Those who are out there waiting to do an arambe, those who are out there waiting to defer, please go to your universities. Even the application for the funding has been extended to 7th of October. Please go, you'll apply while you're in the universities. The government will support you.
Mutembe ARIUGA ati THIRIKARI iri na mubango umukinyaniru wa gutigira ati gutire murito akaremwa ikuthoma nuntu bwa kwagambia akiuga ati ndeni ya university no bamwe ba ARITWA barabaraji kujukia rutha rwa gucoka michi gucwa BICI bakaja kuthoma mianka yingi tayari barekera chini bakithomaga.
That all the students apply for all categories: the scholarship, the loan, and the bursary. Even if you are paying for accommodation, if your bursary come out and you are supported, also tell your parent it has come out, you return the money of the accommodation to your parent so that they can support your siblings. And every master who is holding anybody's certificate there or living certificate, release to them so that they can finish, get jobs and come and clear your school fees.
NKURUKI ARIUGA THIRIKARI iri na mubango wa gutigira ati gutire muritwa akauma CHUKURU mbere aekirwa nthumbi ya kithomo kira ajite kuthomera.
The government has made it very, very clear. And as I stand here as the Vice Chancellor, I will advance the priorities of the government. We are told if you get 4,000 students, in 4 years you must graduate 4,000. And if not, you account for that person. Alienda wapi? So we are going to document to ensure people are taught as scheduled. And for me, anybody who will not be able to deliver services, mambo ni mata. Ya kwanza ni kuhama CHUKA, si ni kweli? Ya pili, kama amekosea watu ndi kupelekwa nje. Ya tatu hiyo ingine namwachia Mola.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma gichigo bunge ya CHUKA Gamba Ng'ombe Mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.